Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are well, all of you, and your family member. Unfortunately, I have a flu, so my voice is not good enough. However, I'm going to start with you in chapter 9, expressing habits, used to do or doing, homophones, making your point. All these subjects are discussed extensively in this chapter. So let's start by testing your grammar. Match a line in A with a line in B. Underline the words that express habit, which are past and which are present. So this is table 1, this is table B. You can just match between these two columns. When I was a kid, for instance, what do you think? She doesn't fit. She doesn't fit. Will doesn't fit. Or does. Yes, I think you are right. My dad would read me a story at bedtime. So he's a lucky kid. Which are past and which are present. So are and always and ing with talking. All these things express the present, isn't it? So I think you are smart enough to recognize which one is past and which one is present, isn't it? Now, number 2, choose the correct ending for these sentences. So I have two sentences here and I have the ending of it. Which one fit to which? He used to work hard because he is a builder, or but now he is retired. What do you think? I think yes, you are right. He used to work hard, but now he is retired. The second sentence, he used to hard work because he is a builder. Well done. Now let's talking about something else. Friends reunited, now expressing habit and used to do or doing. One of the most popular websites in Britain is friendsreunited.co.uk. What sort of website do you think it is? Is there a similar website in your country? What do you think, student? Yes, that's right. It's about talking about the graduated student, and there is a website for them. Yes, I don't think we have similar website in Baghdad or in Iraq nowadays. Maybe in the future we will have, probably. Number 2, read the email from Alison to an old school friend, completed with the lines from A to L. So this is the key answer. Now this is the email from Alison, as you see. Now, for instance, dear Sally, I am sending this through Friends Reunited. Do you remember me? We. Now you have to choose something from here. Fill all these blanks from here by yourself or maybe with your colleague, it's still fine. However, the answer key is in T9.1. Listen and check. Please, please don't cheat. It's not allowed. Fill the answer and then check your answer later on. So the answer key is here. That's right, in your book as well. So please do it by yourself and send this as a homework to me. So this is homework and this is homework for you. Okay? Page 79, please. And we have number 4. Look at these two sentences. We used to go to school together. We would go back to your home. So which sentences is more factual? That's mean in Arabic. أيهما هو واقعية وأيهما هي حنينية خلينا نقول. عندك جملتين هنا. شو تحس أنت؟ شوف الأسلوب مالت الكتابة هنا بين الجملتين، فيا تحسها هي واقعية ويا تحسها حنينية. نشوف الفرق بين الكتابتين. زين. So هنا number 5, match a line in A with a line in B. These are from the email, by the way. so you can find the answer easily. Pay attention to contracted forms and weak forms. So you have to listen to 9.2 carefully. I wish I have a lecture and I play the audio for you as usual. I used to do in our lecture. I play the audio every time and we practice this listening, so you improve your listening. Your listening is improving, by the way, day by day. I hope you can do this by yourself this time. Unfortunately, please, you have the CD and you can listen by yourself, maybe in computer, in mobile, whatever. Now, language focus. This is box blue, referring to a language focus. They're talking about express habit, present habit, and we can maybe put them in the past here, or maybe in two ways. All these principles is focused in page number 150, 151. So the grammar focus for this subject is available in the same book in these pages. So please again go to these pages and read it carefully and follow the grammar. It's very important to you. Now, another practice. What is she like? Choose an adjective from the box to describe the people in the sentences. So I have box here: easygoing, clumsy, mean, absent-minded, argumentative, sensitive, sensible, stubborn. Number 1. He is always losing things or forgetting where he is put things. So what do you think the good adjective that fit to this person? Yes, you are right. Absent-minded. That's correct. Number 2. She will always cry at the end of a sad film. Well, she's a girl. So yes, that's right. Sensitive. Nothing ever upsets her or annoys her or worries her. What do you think? Yes, she's easygoing. I am always dropping things or plumping into things. What do you think? Clumsy? Yeah, that's right. She is ruled by her head, not her heart. She is always thinks through before she acts. Sensible? Yes, that's right. Number 6. He just won't listen to anyone else's suggestions. What do you think? Stubborn, that's right. 7. I remember that block Dave. He'd never buy you a coffee. What I mean, this person, that's right. Finally, and he'd pick a fight with anyone about anything. Yes, argumentative. Now add similar sentences to support these statements. My flatmate is untidiest person in the whole world. من Arabic يعني هذا الإنسان flatmate. الميت احنا قلناها سابقا اللي هو الزميل أو الرفيق. flatmate يعني زميله بالسكن يشاركه بالزمن. غير منظم، غير مرتب، شخص غير مرتب في كل العالم. فتقدر هم تسوي هذا practice إلك. Okay. Now page 8 please. Discussing grammar. Number 3. In pairs, decide which line in B best continues the line in A. So I go from here to here. For instance, he earns lots of money, so which one is fit to it? Number 1, 2, 3. Yes, that's right, number 1. My friend Joe buys sells cars. Okay. So feel free as well to match between B and A, please. Parents. Number 4. There is a listening, as we know that's T number 9.3. Listen to 4 people talking about their relationship with their parents. Was it a good relationship? Unfortunately, I used to play the audio as we talk about it, and we used to discuss the listening together. All this time I can't do that. Unfortunately, you have to do it by yourself. There is 2 listening here, and there is 2 listening practicing here. I'm not sure how you can improve yourself. However, this is a difficult situation for us. Maybe we'll post it in a good way. So please listen to the 9.3 and 9.3 again and answer this practice. Okay. Write a few sentences about the relationship between you and your parents. Tell your partner about it. Okay. This is a small homework for you. Answer the questions. Number 7. Answer the questions with a form of used to do, be, or get used to, doing something, someone, or something, somebody or something. For instance, you don't like your new teacher, do you? Not a lot, but we are getting used to her. So this is how to answer the question. Now you have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fill these blanks. Again, without cheating, the answer is in 9.4 in the same book. Please answer the questions and check your answer later on. I think this is important practice for you in the future. Page 81. Again, we have a difficult situation here because it's listening and speaking. So you have to speak and you have to listen. About teacher you will not never forget. So in your life there is a teacher, isn't it, that you will not forget. Look at the pictures. What are the teachers doing? Okay, this is number 1, 2, 3. What are the students doing? How have teaching style changed over the years? So we have to discuss speaking about it together. Unfortunately, we can't do it now. Now, number 2, listening again. 9.5. Listen to 4 people talking about a teacher they will never forget. What characteristics of a good and a bad teacher do they mention? So you have to pay attention about the personality of the teacher they will talk about, and it's better for you to drop a pen and pencil and piece of paper and write down the note. Unfortunately, we cannot discuss these questions, but maybe you can do with your colleague by phone or anything you like and complete this practice. I feel that you have to write something for me as a homework as well about who is a teacher you will never forget and why. What was or is she or he like? Would you please fill a piece of paper with a information about teacher you will not forget? Maybe he is bad for you or very good for you. Anything you will not forget. Okay, so listen carefully to the 4 stories and then try your story. It's still good practicing for you. Okay, and spoken English adjective intensifiers. Look at these lines from the tape script. All the kids were scared stiff of him. She made it seem dead easy. These are compounds that identify the meaning of the adjective. Complete the sentences with a word from the box. So the same thing here. We have a pond, stiff, freezing, tiny, white, great, boiling fast. It fits to these 8 sentences. Still, for you, it's good practice. Please do it. I will do it for myself. I think we are going to stop here for now, and I will see you next lecture, maybe in the classroom. Take care and have a nice weekend. Thank you very much.